I'm gonna put cheers, come.
Okay.
Thumbnail. Yeah, thumbnail. Why we're ugly?
Hi guys. Alright.
Oh, he coming up with
No water.
Some cream people take it and that's down in
Hi guys. Welcome back to another video. As you can see, me and mom are in the kitchen today and we are back with more antics. A joke.
Really antics for true.
Really antics is a pure foolishness we done before we start this. Anyways, we're going to make. Stop laughing! No, we're gonna make pizza today. But we're gonna do a very simple one, just a ham and cheese pizza. No, this is not no tutorial. I would dinner where I make.
Me know that. Cause your daddy, this man when me say.
The same ones.
Yeah,
Some
here,
here.
this man me say. Come must gonna make pizza. Stuff from early before she half come out of her room.
Yeah, I came out.
Yeah. Oh well, cause I would surely eat a piece right now.
Exactly.
So it's 4 of us here, 2 against 2. Jared don't care for pizza as I do. You and your daddy. So I notice you and your dad always have like attitude, and me and Jared have it. That's how it goes.
What, similar eating?
No, not this. The pizza. Jared is not a pizza guy. Neither am I. You're the person who make me end up in a. Go and talk to them. Yeah. Me give them the story time with you and how me me end up in a pizza shop with this little girl.
Yes. So we have our pizza pan. Yeah. It's quite large.
Yeah, they know everything about that tutorial.
And I made my dough already, quite warm. I made my dough already, right? So,
cause what the thing is with pizza, you know, some people say them not have no time for the 1 hour resting. There are other pizza
there
doughs
are those
too, you know.
out
We're
there.
gonna try to
there are those out there that you can make overnight and put them in the fridge. Just because I yeast it, I mean say you can't go in the fridge.
More than overnight. Slow rising doughs.
You can make dough and put them in a day.
Yeah. But it doesn't matter. Once
in
you make
fridge,
your dough and you
whenever you're ready to make
you
a pizza,
can have a sleep, you know.
To be fair, the hardest part of this is just to get your dough how you want to get it. Everything else, doing the toppings, all of them, something
so
it's
easy.
Pretty simple.
I think some people say them not have no time for pizza, but I'm not a pizza eater, but I don't mind.
It's not time consuming.
I wouldn't say that. No, because you can. It's just
you have to wait till the dough rise. That's all if you want to. But as I said, you don't have to use the one where you have to rise same time. You can use other ones.
Slow rising ones that can rise in the refrigerator. So story time now.
Alright, mommy, I'll give story time now.
With Cobb. Cobb is the first person that made me enter a pizza shop. Yeah, and I didn't remember which year. It was Christmas Eve night. Then the time that, well, Grand Market did start mash up long time. Like them know with me, family. May I talk like when we used to, you know, when you were in Jamaica, you know, back in the days when Grand Market named Grand Market, or when you go off a tree, when Grand Market in a session, as near as somebody did to you, you can't hear them. Them time them Grand Market they would me know about. And was it about 10 years ago that happened? 10. I would think so. 9.
I'm 21. I wouldn't say 10 years ago.
Yeah, man. I saw me about this. About 9 years ago.
9 years ago.
Yeah, 9. So 10, I don't maybe 8, 9 years ago. I don't think it was 9.
Oh, that pre so quick ago.
A long time you pre-tea, man. You never know how long it is. So I think that is. So they need to see what you're doing.
Okay, so time for the sauce. This is homemade, by the way. I made it myself.
Turn it back down. Let them see them.
Yeah, so this is homemade pizza sauce. I made it myself, literally right before this, and then I put it in the fridge just to cool down because you can't put hot sauce
on the pizza.
And the pizza dough. Nobody not do that.
The sauce looks so smooth though.
Thanks you very much.
But you turn out to be one of nice like a pizza maker. But I not see me up.
I miss you.
I'm proud of. Are you proud of yourself? You turn out to be a nice pizza maker. Whatever. So then can listen to the story time. Can nobody need to see for me tired face? Them know it so well. So it was like a Christmas Eve night when like a Grand Market it named the night before Christmas.
Christmas Eve.
Yeah, but we call it Grand Market. A Grand Market?
But nowadays Grand Market I keep on the 23rd, so I not even know no more.
Grand Market I keep on the 23rd?
So me a year now.
Me no know, but anyway, it was the night before Christmas. This does sound like one Santa Claus.
When all the children were asleep.
Yeah, it was the night before Christmas when all the parents were asleep because Dad was home, me and you and my so-called sister that went up on the road. Mr. The Grand Market start mash up from before we even reach up there.
Oh,
so this little young lady, Parry, me never go in a pizza shop from the day I know myself. Because Gerardo never asked me for pizza because actually Gerardo isn't about pizza. And we ordered pizza. They were having a special 2 for 1. It was Domino's. That time Domino's were in half a tree. Domino's was in half a tree.
It was in half a tree.
Domino's did they make
one little spot right this on near. Well, yeah, one
about the place.
Yeah, it was very small. It was a very small one though.
So we're on our way coming home now. So you know, kids all over here go buy them something late night. She did picky, you know, so she don't want to eat nothing.
And the thing is, KFC was out of the mix because somebody not stand up in them line there.
No, but whether not KFC.
KFC always out of mix anyway. So
I say all the whole night. Family me in at the pizza shop. That was my first experience going into a pizza shop. And guess what? This girl never going there on her own again. Every other time I send she galang in there. Because actually why I never really eat pizza anytime I pass a pizza shop and
Mommy don't like the smell of the sauce.
Pizza, so I only get to eat pizza now, you know. As since me start to show you how to make it and we try to make our own, I realize something with the sauce make me never really, you know. The sauce always gives me this headache and I never like the sauce, the taste of the pizza shop sauce, man. So, you know, that was it. I say.
And funny enough, you know, so me just make up the sauce sometime. I don't have any recipe for this, you know, so I'm just throw some things together.
No, but you can just make any little thing.
Yeah, it doesn't need a recipe.
So I'm telling the family, that was the story. It was the night before
herbs.
Christmas. And we almost ended up celebrating Christmas in the pizza shop at 12. Yeah, because 12 o'clock gone. I'm in the line, I wait for pizza. Chew one little craven picnic.
Side eye.
So that was it. So
cheese time. This is we didn't have our own shredded cheese. Typically I would shred my own cheese, but at this current moment,
not shred but shred.
Shred, I said shred.
You said shred?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I would shred my own cheese, but unfortunately
this shredded cheese not giving at all.
Not at all.
How where you get it?
I finally shredded cheese, I guess, or something.
No man.
That go work today. No?
I give you for free.
Look so.
I just not look like if I pay for.
Anyways, typically I shred my own cheese.
So what cheese is this? What's the name?
It's a mixture. It's a Mexican blend cheese. So
this is really small.
It have Monterey Jack, cheddar. I saw that per cheese me can pronounce.
Show them now. Show them it and tell them. Them know it's not sponsor away.
It's just a little. It's just a little regular.
It's just a little.
I don't know crazy.
Whatever.
Typically, as I said, I shred my own cheese, but unfortunately, I do not.
We never have none.
I have them big black one there right now to deal with.
So, you know, you could have used some of the other one in the sample put it something right there.
It doesn't melt. It doesn't melt.
It doesn't melt?
It doesn't give that stretch or something like that when it melts.
Oh.
That cheese is more of like for mac and cheese and them type of something because it's more of a creamy thing.
I've never seen such finely shredded.
No, say me never see cheese so fine yet, but so be it. It's kind of like a cheese pizza.
Comment and ask them if they have ever seen anything like that.
People, this is shredded very, very finely. So I might as well just use all of this.
So you know, use one for the extra topping. No, now go on the top extra.
Yeah, you don't need that much for on the top extra.
So because most it don't, yeah, don't.
Look, so leave back is okay. All right, this is ham. I'm going to roughly tear it up.
So that's how easy a pizza is to make.
That's so easy to make for we.
No, for we no, but people you make a lot. Of, you
as I said, the part of it that really takes most of the time is truly just the
dough.
The dough. The rest of the whole pizza thing.
I think we should
customize it yourself how you want to. It's all up to you. It's never hard. Most times certain things not hard, you know. I just you offer.
But the slow rising dough is the same thing. We do the slow rising dough you put a little less yeast.
Yeah, that's the only thing. You put a little less yeast so it can go in the fridge and
I think it's cool when you can. Worse if you have a family of children. And me no have no picnic when I love pizza. Only Gerardo when he was a child. Most kids love pizza. So if you have a family of like small kids, you know, more than one small kid, I think it's really good for you to like sometimes try to make pizza and you can put in the freezer.
It's
because let me tell you, sometimes these pizza line can be so long.
Yeah, me not join them, unfortunately.
Even if you stay at home and order, then take forever to come with
yeah, me can't bother with that. Nowadays, these fast food places, the food is not fulfilling. No matter even if you say, boy, me can't bother for cook tonight and I'm not in the mood. I bet
better you cook. Because by the time you're gonna go join the line, then pick you up and pronounce you. Feel hungry. That I don't know what happened.
It's just
is it that the lines are getting longer or the people are moving?
I don't know
so
which
slow?
one. Honestly, I don't know which one at this point. I don't know if the line them get longer or the people them are working this slow. I truly don't know anymore.
Yeah, comment where you are family if these fast food lines are getting longer. If them are get longer, we life sad.
I wouldn't have said coming out it done. I shall make it.
At the night when you know remember when we come up here last year? And when we are come back, you look how much Kentucky we
No
pass.
man, me
no that was
I
the
never
night
have no
I
set, no.
I got ignorant the night.
And the thing about it was that when I talked to my friend after, she was like, you picked the wrong pick. I remember say she's something there. She know right there, so she said you picked the wrong one. I stopped at KFC.
I didn't take too long for you.
I had stopped at KFC and let me tell you, she said
sitting there.
You picked the wrong one. Come on, basically done.
KFC me ask them something. Why so long we take to get the food now? Why? We are
basically don't know.
No, can I tell you? On a serious note, you can hold it up and show them. I was really mad that night, fam. I think we spent about 2 hours out there.
Oh yeah, about 1.5 near 2 hours.
More than.
And the only reason because of that, the want to know the funny thing, the cashier line move and empty and done. And a one stubborn person over there, so we are give out the something them and move slow. And no matter how much people say to her, Miss, you can move a little faster, please.
Maybe she will start coding. Show them the final.
You. What was that? Oh.
No, I put it on there for the
This
slide.
is it so far. I wish I had like a pineapple. I like pineapple on pizza for the people that don't. That's
pineapple. I'm going on a pineapple.
I like pineapple, but banana pineapple.
Me like pineapple on it too.
Yeah. So this is my ham and cheese pizza on its own here. Not baked. It's going in the oven now. 25 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah, so I tell you now, family, let me tell you, I was really mad that night. I think I never get mad before like that. I was really mad at her. I said, Colby, we could have go home, go down our best dress, or down a place, go buy chicken tight out fried and we eat and go to bed. And couldn't we? We could have go buy chicken tight.
Because when we came home,
oh, 1-2 piece of fowl.
When we came home, because I was talking to my friends that night and they were waiting on me. They were waiting on me to, you know, something that them did I wait for me the night.
Oh, for the Saturday night chat.
And them just say, oh, it takes so long for reach home. Look how long you're up on the road, it takes so long for reach home. When me tell her I say I KFC out of which part me, she said, why you just stand about this and go here? Why would you really go out of all the place them? And the plaza broke down too.
Jordan was mad too.
But Jordan never buy food too. So you can't that mad.
No, Jordan never buy no food.
Jordan did buy KFC too.
Well, me never want none. And of course everybody know that no want none.
And the funny thing is, there was a Pizza Hut beside it. I could have actually gone there and call it a day because mommy said how much people go in there and come back out by the time.
People are seeing them yard order and them pizza ready and them
exactly.
Me see how people come, make them order and go in there and come back and sit down in them vehicle.
And come back and sit down in them vehicle and something, yeah.
I want to go on this so.
This is extra, so I put it
so don't put it in that cup. Let's put it in one of these cups.
What that? Oh yeah, I forgot about that. So this is my extra pizza sauce and I'm going to put it up when we're done. Anytime I do it, I always have extra. Yes, I'm not taller than you. Not that much, but I have a longer reach than you. But I'm still short. I don't want anybody to think I'm tall. I have a taller reach than you.
Stretch out your arm.
Move on, stop moving.
Guys, when you see us next.
So, pizza sauce, gonna put it up. The pizza is in the oven. I have 23 minutes left. When you see us next, we take out the pizza. And
how much minutes? 25?
25 minutes. I put 20-25 minutes, but 25
so
minutes.
So this is our
this is our dinner.
After me supper. I'm gonna have one slice with some water. And I think I see pear over there. Comment, have you had pizza with avocado? Side eye me.
May I go here? May I go make this stuff? No, it's after 25 minutes. This is our pizza. Even though I had shown you guys just how to look of it already, but this is it. Okay. So I'm going to section it up. Mom is gonna taste.
Yeah, Mom,
and
I'm try first. God is good, God is great. Let us thank Him for our food. It don't really matter how. Okay. I got near me here.
You really are got it?
Yeah.
Anyway.
But me don't know. Look here. Suppose somebody do it already. Comment, family, comment and tell me. Have you ever had avocado and pizza? Maybe somebody do it already, you know. So why you put me down? And if somebody never do it, maybe they want to try it. Because come here alone, it has disappeared.
Actually, yes.
Oh, plate is there already. We need salt, and salt. I like look salt from here. I like that setting salt. Oh, Jesus. They look good. Terence, him down there wait like a fan. Have you ever had, please comment, have you ever had, the pear kind of like a water. You eat any eat?
Once.
Okay, so. This guy share. Dad, you eat pear?
No.
Oh, sorry. Go and eat. We are recording. Did you know that? So, Pari. Hear me keep saying Pari. Them know. If you have ever had avocado and pizza, comment. If you have not, I'm going to do it right now for the first time. And I will let you know. You don't know, so I now go. So I will go and write yes, so. Oh, this is so hard for come off. A piece I peel, some part I peel it right. And some part never ripe. It's very hard to peel. I'm gonna do it right now. So 2 slices I go want, you know. 1 for now and 1 for my Bombay.
So you eat the 2 slices?
No, 1 for now and Bombay later. Maybe late might not come too. Peter take long for digest. But it's an ask. Oh gosh.
Gosh.
What did Peter?
It
look like
kind
it tough?
No, it don't.
Because I say if you know, me like them I run for what's out there so. And if you want to buy it, we slice you up.
The pizza
I'm daddy. D, you never hear me sure them this around power saw out the road. Okay? So me I said D. I want that and him say somebody I work for power saw. Some of them just gonna ask them before them turn it off. Yeah, you can't give one of them little one there. I don't really want it so big.
I typically cut all of them in 2s often.
So Kobe, why you treat me so bad? Me I wait for the color and take up my pear.
1.
Thanks. Me just want 1.
Alright, Mommy's going to try.
Yeah, I pray already.
I'm gonna take out 1 cookie.
Avocado and pizza.
You slice up the rest. I'll slice up the rest now because the pizza cut.
Thumbnail.
You want muscle feet. Cheers.
I'm sorry. Yeah, the cheers thing. You know that. Jesus, the cheers thing is a disgrace. Remember the cheers the last time?
And you never want
yeah,
cheers.
I mean, don't have nothing about me. I'm sorry. I could cheers again for makeup. Cheers. I'm going to put cheers. Come.
Okay.
Thumbnail. Yeah, thumbnail. Why we're ugly?
Did you say that? Why would you say that?
Because see we are and maybe you ugly at me. Thumbnail and I put on this.
Listen, we can't do it. Anyways, bag of taste. Let me taste the flavors.
So full yet now. How are you laugh for?
You love the rubbing too much, you know. You're worse than me.
Avocado can't go wrong with anything. There could be nothing can go wrong with this. Avocado and pizza. Comment family. We couldn't go wrong. I want one for cheese in a stretch. That is small.
Mozzarella.
Can't stretch to feed. I will get that cheese now.
Mozzarella cheese. That's fine.
Not bad, but you know, we used to stretch the cheese in a pizza.
Yeah, but try the mozzarella.
But you can't go wrong with avocado.
I have my sauce. My sauce is good.
Always. You always have a good pizza sauce.
It's not really best sauce made in a while.
But our yard with them, and we are trying to make sure that I'm going to take with that knife, then come pronounce we. So,
come find the skeleton and detach off our bone then.
Man.
Wait, what? The skeleton and detach off our skin.
So, what would you say to people? Lishana and Car, this is for Car and Lishana, make pizza. Lish, I don't know if comment below Car if Lish love pizza. This morning I was watching them. They were in the kitchen, but Car said Lishana abandoned her and gone.
Oh.
So this is for Car and Lishana from Davis Family Life. Go check them out. What would you say to young people? I remember some of this are coming like it to them. What would what are young or old, you and your kids, when they were talking about grandkids? For the grandmothers, them, our grandparents, them old, when them always carry the children who come left over with them. Those who are big enough, carry them in the kitchen and make pizza.
Oh, as in like, what would you say to persons who haven't made it before, if they're scared to make it?
Yeah, and
it's not hard. That's the first thing. It's
literally that's the first thing. It's the easiest thing to make.
First things are just find a recipe for a dough. Very simple. You don't need nothing extra, you don't need nothing enough.
But I never seen no extra pizza dough. What could be so extra about?
Some are then extra, but maybe like, you know, like some more expert ones or so. But if it's your first time doing it,
we don't want no extra pizza. We just want this. This good for we.
You don't need no extra nothing.
Because some of them where we have pay a bunch of million for.
You're not putting nothing in a brick oven, nothing like that.
Where we get it from? But you know the wall in the tank next door. We have to over people's yard and put pizza in there when you come back.
Some coal in there.
When you come back, you
see
pizza
exactly
next door.
So it's not hard. It's very simple, but it's also very fun to do because can customize it yourself. You can put your ham, your cheese, your bacon,
anything, jerk chicken,
Aki, I know you them Aki things say. Or the Aki if
we
you want
did the Aki one for Patreon.
We did it, but we did it for that.
We have the Aki pizza on Patreon. Half Aki and half Kalalu. Was it so?
The Kalalu side was good. Obviously becoming
yeah, we did Kalalu. Full Kalalu, no.
No, the Kalalu side was
half
good.
And half Kalalu and pizza. So you know, so we are going with myself.
Yeah.
I don't remember that.
We did that for Dad for his birthday at the time. He enjoyed it, he liked it.
And him love Kalalu and him like him love pizza. I wrap up some now, you know, you're from man, him say, me know that we eat pizza, but him let me for 6 this morning family. Mr. Kobe said, she gonna make pizza here. Wow, I would eat two.
And the thing is, over time, the more you do it, the better it is. And what you can do when you made the dough the first time and it come out right.
Look at this. Look at the pastry. Look at it. Some of them, you see it? How nice it is and soft.
All you have to do when you make the dough, right where you use, and place it in your fridge so that when you're ready to go again,
you remember the recipe. Or even if the kids want to make it and you're not there.
For the persons who don't know how to make their sauce, I would just recommend maybe getting store-bought pizza sauce. Not that pizza sauce is hard to make, but it carries a lot of components to get like a lot of that flavor. You need a lot of seasoning, spices. You need good tomatoes.
Ask them if would you do a homemade pizza sauce for them.
If you
we don't forget all the lights and stuff on the video for sure that because in previous pizza videos nobody watches, so I'm not sure.
I never showed the pizza sauce before. I've never showed it.
But if them don't want to watch a pizza where they want, you think them don't want to see sauce? Me not check so.
If you don't know how to make your own pizza sauce or you don't want to try and make it, you're gonna mess up. The best thing, get a store-bought pizza sauce. Make
your pizza sauce the day when you're gonna make pizza. Make your pizza sauce.
Yeah, make it ahead of time.
Make it rest, let it stay in the refrigerator. And all those herbs and stuff.
Mixing together. Just through me make this today. Through me rig up something a while ago, you know. But it still work out at the end of the day because the amount of times that I've done it. But as I said, if it's your first time doing it, I would recommend doing your sauce yourself unless you know what you do. If not, can buy the store-bought one. Nothing not happen to you. It tastes the same.
You can find one online.
The only thing is it might have less flavor.
Really complicated though.
Exactly, and that's why I didn't look at the ones online. I made my own. But with my own, it just takes. This isn't the proper one that I do today. Now my own, it takes a lot more components to it.
Yeah, and a lot more stuff.
And a lot more seasonings and stuff.
Lots of herbs. That one was Kobe makes nice pizza sauce.
Yeah.
But pizza sauce could have all in a deep freezer. You remember?
No, man, we didn't use that one day.
When you make it fam and you can have it for even a month in the freezer.
Yeah, and you take it out and you defrost it and you use it.
Oh my god, it's beautiful.
But it's very fun to do. It's nice. It's very rewarding at the end of the day when you're done. And I guarantee you.
I'm not gonna wait for Bombay for me. Give me the other one. Come, just want some Kool-Aid. Like that.
Take it up.
Cheers, fam.
It's very rewarding.
Cheers. My Bombay.
It's very rewarding, and the one thing about it also, when you start doing it, you're going to realize you don't need to go to a pizza shop every single time.
That, I think so.
You can save that money. You know.
But we should know to make it from the night when you have midnight place.
I don't think you guys. I think pizza really expensive. Or about for out here in Jamaica, it is expensive.
Ask them. It's like the pizza come. I don't. Ask them.
I think pizza is expensive.
Pizza expensive out here.
Very. Very. Pizza go up to almost $4,000-5,000.
Right here, so let's taste now. I'm gonna taste some cheese. I'm gonna taste piece of ham. The piece I'm gonna get never did have no ham on my part.
Oh,
take it off. I brush it off.
Yeah.
But we end like a pizza video now, because people
okay, guys. So we're finished. But just a slice up the rest.
Show them a little part where you eat out already. Show them in front that end, right? Yeah. Nice.
So,
okay.
This is
so thumbnail. Put on that out there and the doll something. You should have the power star for
Bobby said push this more power
star. We should have the power star for make the what is something? Hold on. For make the collage. You should have the power star for make the collage with the video. With this.
Hey,
come.
This is.
Oh yeah.
This is our pizza. We are smile for
smile.
Okay, so this is our pizza. And this is the portion we've tasted and eaten.
Yeah.
Tasted and eaten. Wow.
Me have to smile because the people tasted and eaten. Me have to smile because the people must say, oh, them people. You can't see the friend. It must say, it's a friend. If you have to know a pizza and it tastes good, so me have to smile. Put on smile if you have.
Okay. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching our video once again. And if you like these, you know, continue to comment and like and share.
Remember.
And subscribe.
I told ya. We will be working on a giveaway for this channel. We never have no giveaway upon this yet. Just like
Mommy, I give her something. Mommy, I give her something.
Most people my friend when them say so we don't know who.
Mommy, I give her something.
Friend when them say give it to somebody in Jamaica. We are gonna have a question for you. I showed you.
Mommy, I give her something. I know what she I give it. I just like
bye family, thanks for watching. Thanks for support. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to all our 3 channels. We'll catch you again with another sit down video. Another whatever, or maybe we might be just on the road.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.